Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to embed a PDF into your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to a website that will enable you to embed your PDF. I have found this website smallpdf.com /embed/pdf, and this will bring you to this website where you want to go ahead and enter the link of your PDF or upload it, and then you can copy the code and embed your PDF. After doing that guys, you want to go ahead to squarespace.com and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all your websites, and go ahead and click on the website where you want to embed the PDF. So let's go ahead and click the website right here. And after entering the website guys, now we want to go ahead and enter the website in edit mode. So guys, to enter it in edit mode, all we have to do is click the edit option in the upper left corner right here, and clicking on edit, now we'll be able to edit our website. So guys, go ahead and find where you want to edit, put in your PDF. So you can see, let's say we want to put it in this section right here. So we want to go ahead and click on this plus button right here called add block, so we will be able to add a new option. See here, you can add text or images or whatever you want, but we want to type in embed. And now guys, as you can see, there is an option called embed. Go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click on the double click on anything that appears, and now you'll be able to enter your PDF. So go ahead and click on code snippet right here, and here you'll be able to enter your embed data. So go ahead and click on that and paste the code that you have copied from your PDF. So guys, as you can see, after copying that guys, now let's go ahead, click enter, click out of this, and now you have embedded a PDF to your website, and people will be able to click on this open with small PDF button, and it will bring you to the PDF that you have copied. So guys, go ahead and click on the done option in the upper left corner and click on save, and now the changes have been saved to your website, and you have the option to go to your PDF. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.